So in this video, we will explain a bit of what OSPF structure looks like. And OSPF is a multi-area routing protocol. It has area 0 as the backbone. So if you have multiple areas, then you gotta have area 0 to route between them. In this topology, we have area 0, we got area 1, and we got area 3. You can put the entire network in one area, and that area could be area 1, area 2, area 3, or whatever number you choose, even 0. But if you want to do inter-area routing between two different areas, you got to connect these areas with a backbone 0. So if you have to use two or more areas in your OSPF network, you got to connect them with area 0. But if you don't need multiple areas, you can use any area number as one big happy area. It could be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, in this case, when we are using, why do we need to use multiple areas? There are so many reasons for it. But when you have big, large networks and you need to summarize a lot of hundreds of routes into one or two routes, so summarization is one reason. And just to reduce the number of routes in the routing table, because in a large enterprise network, you have thousands of routes coming in OSPF, so you use areas to do these summarizations so that your routing table becomes smaller, and you can also do some route engineering with route summarization, so multiple use cases. But in our network here, we've got 3 routers, and any router that connects to 2 or more areas, it has to have a connection to the backbone, right? And then when it's got a connection to the backbone, it's called the ABR, area border router. So in this case, we have 2 area border routers, and we got 1 backbone router. So that's the high-level overview of OSPF. Let's take a look at how that looks in the routers. You can look at the routers by doing show IP OSPF, and it'll give you ton loads of information. And what you're looking for is this area. So how do I tell if it's an ABR or a backbone? You do show IP OSPF, you do a pipe, and then you just do a match on the word area. And it'll give you, if it gives you 0 and 1 or 0 whatever, then it's connected to the backbone and it's got other area that it's connected to. So it's an ABR, area border router. Let's do the same thing, show IP OSPF, match on area. And this guy is a backbone router. It has no other routers or no other areas connected to it. And the same thing with this guy, OSPF match area, and you'll see that it's got 2 areas connected to it. So this is a very high level overview of an OSPF routing protocol. Again, these areas are designed to give you the flexibility of summarization or filtering and a lot of other stuff, advanced stuff that we will probably talk about later. But this is a high level overview of OSPF.